Let's get right into it. Welcome to this explainer. If you're anything like me, you've probably found a Dutch Bros gift card hiding in your wallet or car console and wondered, is there actually enough on this for my morning coffee? Well, today we are going to equip you with absolutely everything you need to master your Dutch Bros gift card balances. By the end of this, you'll be a total pro at checking your funds, maxing out your rewards, and protecting your caffeine budget. Stick around, because we're packing this full of practical tips to make sure you literally never leave free coffee on the table again.
Let's start by addressing that incredibly frustrating scenario. We've all been there, right? You're sitting in the drive-thru, craving that Golden Eagle or Rebel, but you have this sinking feeling of uncertainty. You're just not sure if you have enough funds on your card, and nobody wants to find out they're short right at the window. Or maybe you're just worried about losing unused money because you simply forgot what was on it. Well, this explainer is going to completely eliminate that guesswork and put you right back in the driver's seat. So here's our game plan for today. We'll quickly cover the basics of Dutch Bros gift cards, how to check your balance online, app and phone alternatives, some troubleshooting and account security, and finally wrap up with the top FAQs and pro tips.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, Dutch Bros gift card basics. You're gonna love the financial policy behind these cards because it's super consumer friendly. Get this, they literally never expire. There are absolutely zero dormancy fees, no sneaky maintenance fees eating away at your balance, nothing like that. If you load $50 on a card today and just don't touch it for 5 years, guess what? It'll still be worth exactly $50. It's essentially a guaranteed caffeine budget that holds its value indefinitely.
Now, before we actually jump online to check your balance, let's run through a quick preparation checklist. Just make sure you've got these 4 essentials ready to go. First, grab a device. A computer or your smartphone works great. You'll need reliable internet access, of course, and crucially, you absolutely need the physical card or the digital e-gift email right in front of you. Why? Because you'll need that 16 to 19-digit gift card number plus the 6-digit registration PIN, which basically acts as your security code. Got all that? Awesome. You're ready to verify those funds. Moving right along to Section 2, checking your balance online. Okay, so step 1 is navigating over to the official balance verification portal. You can easily find this linked directly on the Dutch Bros website right under their gift card section. It'll take you to a third-party guest account management page. Step 2, carefully type in that 16 to 19-digit card number. For step 3, just input your 6-digit registration PIN. And finally, step 4, go ahead and complete the CAPTCHA, to prove you're not an automated bot trying to scrape balances, and hit submit. Boom, the screen is going to instantly display your precise remaining balance. It really is that simple.
Next up, Section 3, app and phone alternatives.
Let's talk about the app interface for a second and see how this actually builds your digital wallet within the Dutch Pass ecosystem. To check your balance in the app, you actually have to load the card into it. So first, open up your Dutch Bros app and tap More down in the bottom right corner. Second, tap Gift Cards and then select Load Gift Card. From there, for step 3, you can either manually enter those same card numbers and PIN we just talked about, or, and this is way easier, just use your camera to scan the QR code right on the back of the card. Your balance will instantly pop up in your app. And hey, if you prefer the old school route, you can always just call their corporate customer service line or simply ask a barista at the drive-thru window to check it for you. Now pay close attention here because there is a massive difference you need to be aware of. Checking your balance online keeps your physical plastic card completely active and functional for swiping in person at the window. However, loading that balance into the Dutch Pass app, that is an absolute one-way migration. The crucial takeaway here is that once you load those funds into the app, that original physical card or even the digital e-gift card is totally dead. It's deactivated forever. Your funds now live exclusively on your phone. So you might be asking, why on earth would you intentionally deactivate the physical card? Well, it's simple. By migrating your funds to the app, you get to join the Dutch Rewards program. When you pay using those consolidated funds in your Dutch Pass, you automatically earn 3 points for every single dollar spent. Hit 250 points? Bam! You just scored a free medium drink. Honestly, this is why so many people gladly choose the app transfer, despite losing the physical plastic. It literally turns your anonymous cash into trackable, highly valuable rewards. Let's shift gears to Section 4, troubleshooting and account security. Let's look at this quote from a Reddit user in Boise, which really grounds us in some real-world frustration. They posted, "Twice I've been told there's no balance left when indeed there was, and I had the receipts to prove it." I mean, how annoying is that? But it highlights a real issue. Point-of-sale systems can sometimes glitch or show false zero balances at the window. It's a great reminder that while their system is generally super reliable, third-party ledger integrations can occasionally just have a bad day. So to avoid these kind of headaches and keep your data secure, let's run through a few best practices. First off, If your card shows a zero balance out of nowhere, double check your app. More often than not, someone already transferred the funds to their Dutch Pass, which obviously renders the physical card empty. Second, if you get an app load error, don't panic. It's usually just a simple typo in the PIN. Now, regarding privacy and security, you have to treat your digital and physical cards exactly like physical cash. If someone gets their hands on your QR code or your numbers, they can absolutely spend your money. And here's the kicker. Lost physical cards generally cannot be replaced by corporate. That right there is another fantastic reason to load them into the secure app environment the minute you get them.
But hey, if you do run into a persistent issue, like the one our Reddit friend experienced, Dutch Bros actually maintains a dedicated support infrastructure to handle manual ledger reconciliations. For general bugs, you can shoot an email over to feedback@dutchbros.com. For loyalty program stuff, hit up rewards@dutchbros.com. Or if you need to talk to a real human, you can call their corporate support line directly. They have a great reputation for being super helpful when it comes to investigating transaction histories if you ever suspect an error in your balance. Finally, let's wrap up with Section 5, Top FAQs and Pro Tips. Knowing the limitations of your card is key. For starters, you cannot use a gift card to buy another gift card. Makes sense, right? You also cannot use your gift card balance to buy Dutch Bros apparel or mugs on their online merch store. Those funds are strictly for food and beverages at their physical locations. But if you're ever left with a tiny remaining amount on a card, don't sweat it. You can easily combine that small leftover balance with cash or your credit card right at the window. And here is a really fun pro tip for you. In certain states that legally require cash back for small gift card balances, you can use third-party legal service apps like Do Not Pay to automatically submit structured digital requests to corporate to claim that cash back. Pretty cool, huh? As a final thought, just make it a habit to regularly check those balances to avoid any nasty surprises in the drive-thru line. Whether you use the website, the app, or just ask the barista at the window, staying informed puts you entirely in control. And of course, a quick disclaimer we have to mention. Always verify this information through trusted sources and make sure you fully understand the official terms and conditions of gift card usage, since corporate policies can always update over time. Well, I hope this explainer has turned you into a totally empowered consumer ready to tackle the drive-thru with complete confidence. So what flavor are you going to order with your next reward? Keep learning, and we'll see you in the next one.